Assalamualaikum. Welcome back po sa ating channel. Ang problem natin for today ay mula sa Hydraulics and Geotechnical Engineering. Ang problem natin ay isang past board problem na lumabas noong November 2024, last year. Okay, let's start. A sample of soil has a porosity of 40%. Evaluate its void ratio. Okay? Okay, binigyan tayo ng porosity na 40% and hahanapin daw natin yung void ratio. Okay, so before tayo mag-proceed sa ating solution, convert muna natin itong percent sa decimal. Yan. Okay, let's proceed. Void ratio yung hinahanap, so gagamitin natin ang kanyang formula. Okay, so direct substitution lang ito, kaya ilagay na natin dito yung porosity. Okay, void ratio natin ay 0.67 and ito ang ating final answer. Okay, problem solved mga tol, and see you again sa ating next problem, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.